Welcome back to the Capital Region Housing Market Update, courtesy of Field Realty, the #1 real estate team in the Capital Region and all of upstate New York. I'm Mike Field, and along with other members of our team, we're going to quickly break down all that is happening in the market right now. Now that we're a month into 2023, we're starting to get a sense for how the year is going to unfold. All the conversation right now is around inventory, pricing, and where the interest rates are headed. In case this is your first time tuning in, we're going to compare the data for the 4 major counties: Albany, Rensselaer, Saratoga, and Schenectady. Hey Pat, let's talk about the new and active listings.
Now for new listings and active listings. The total number of new listings to hit the market in the last 30 days is down by 7%. Schenectady County was actually up by 14%, while every other county was down, including Albany, which had the largest drop of 22%. The number of current total active listings is also down by 13%. Albany County is down 23%, and Schenectady County was only down by 1%. When the number of new and active listings are down, it's expected that the number of new contracts is also going to be down. We are down 11% in the number of new contracts year over year. If you recall from our last market update, these numbers were much lower. The total active, new, and pendings were down by about 30 to 40%. So as the spring market unfolds, we'll definitely be keeping our eye on these figures. Now Jimmy's up next to discuss the number of units sold and average sale prices.
The number of units sold is down by 30%. Across all 4 counties, the drop was fairly consistent. The overall total sold volume for all 4 counties was down by 25%. The gap between these two figures tells us that while the number of units sold is down, the overall volume is not down as much, which is an indication that prices are still steady. All right, let's talk about average sale price. Locally, 3 out of the 4 counties had an increase in the average sale price. Year over year, Rensselaer County had remained the same, while Albany was up 7%, Saratoga is up 14%, and Schenectady is up 6%. Stay tuned because Melissa is going to talk about the list to sale price.
Over the past few months, the average list to sale price has been steadily dropping. Last year, properties were selling between 1 to 2% above list, whereas this year they're selling at 100% or slightly less. A few percentage change in the list to sale price is starting to show us 2 things. 1, that there are actually negotiations taking place in the market, and 2, the surge in pricing appears to be over with. Our predictions are that pricing will continue to slightly appreciate, continuing to give sellers the leverage simply based off of the fact that the inventory levels just aren't there for the buyers.
As we turn the calendar from January to February, it feels like the spring market is already upon us. Whether that's because we're meeting with a ton of sellers right now who are preparing to have their house on the market in the next 30 days, or simply because buyers have jumped back in the market because mortgage rates have decreased since the first of the year. If you've received any value from this market update, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then turn on your notifications. Be sure to also like our Facebook page and follow us on Instagram so you can keep up with the latest on all things real estate in the Capital Region. This has been the Capital Region Housing Market Update from the Field Team. If you have any questions on the market, call us today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget the home field advantage.